Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to program a Buick Lacrosse key fob. This simple, step-by-step process allows you to add a new remote to your vehicle quickly. Before we begin, make sure you have at least one working, already programmed key fob. Also, confirm that the metal blade of your new key is cut to match your vehicle's ignition. This procedure is designed to be straightforward and save you a trip to the dealership. To start programming, take your currently working key and insert it into the ignition cylinder. Turn the key to the on position, which is just before starting the engine, and then immediately turn it back to the OFF position. Once it's in the OFF position, remove the key from the ignition. You need to complete this step fairly quickly, so be ready for the next action. Now, with the working key removed, quickly insert your new, unprogrammed key fob into the ignition within 5 seconds. Turn this new key to the on position and hold it there for approximately 5 seconds. After 5 seconds, turn the ignition back to the OFF position, and then immediately turn it back to the on position one more time. This sequence helps the vehicle recognize and learn the new key's unique signal. To finalize the programming, turn the ignition to the OFF position and remove your new key fob. It should now be fully programmed and ready for use. Take a moment to test all the buttons on your new key fob, including lock, unlock, and trunk release, to ensure everything works correctly. If you need to program additional fobs, simply repeat the process for each one. Also, remember to check the description below for a link to some fantastic darn tough socks and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.